Om Shanti, 24th October 2020, English Sakar Murli, main points. Today, the Father says, "Sweet children, you are the true moths who now surrender to the flame." Deepavali is the memorial of this surrender. This festival of Deepavali is our memorial festival. It reminds us that we are eternal ignited souls in this perishable human body. When the soul is ignited with the light of intellect and knowledge, when the soul gets its real introduction as a child of that Supreme Soul who has come down to this earth to take this human body and play its own part, then all the body consciousness is lost and the soul gets enlightened. Then this is the real celebration of Deepavali. Now this ignited soul, like a true moth, surrenders itself to the flame, the Supreme Soul. Today, Baba explains how he comes from the same place that the children come from. It is from the land beyond sound, Nirvan Dham. The Father explains that he has come in order to establish the kingdom of Rama. He enables us to conquer Ravan. Ravan is the vices of the soul. Now, the soul is impure. It is polluted and vicious. It is at this point that the Father dawns on earth to give us true knowledge, remind us, give us a real introduction, and through the pilgrimage of remembrance, help the soul become pure and pious. The Father has come to establish the golden age by helping us to defeat the Ravan. The Father has come to ignite the light of the soul. We children know that the kingdom of Rama and the kingdom of Ravan are said to be on this earth. Ram Rajya existed in the golden age, when the soul was saturated with knowledge and intellect. It was completely pious, pure, and virtuous. This golden age was set up by the Father. It was from the copper age that the soul started getting polluted. It started losing its virtues and knowledge and came into body consciousness. The power of the soul gradually depleted. The people of Bharat celebrate Deepavali after Dashera. This is done in the memory of the soul, when the soul, which is polluted with the 10 vices of lust, anger, greed, attachment, ego, jealousy, cleverness, laziness, stubbornness, is defeated, the soul becomes free, pure, virtuous, and pious. The light of the soul gets ignited. This is the real celebration of Deepavali. So, at Dashera, the soul is released from the vices and then ignites its original light, which is Deepavali. Now, at this Iron Age, the light of every soul is extinguished. The Father has come to ignite everyone's light, to take us to the golden age where there is happiness in abundance. Today the Father has honored us children with the title of Trikaldarshi, which means knowers of the three aspects of time. We have the knowledge of the Creator, that is the Supreme Soul, and also of the four ages, the beginning, the middle, and the end of the creation. We know how the soul travels from the beginning of the creation and continues its journey until the end. So we are Trikaldarshi, Brahma Kumars and Kumaris. Baba again honors us with the title of Swadarshan Chakradhari. It is only we children who belong to this Brahmin religion can become Swadarshan Chakradharis, because only we travel through all the four ages and take all the five forms. Baba says, become Swadarshan Chakradhari and become rulers of the globe, masters of the world. Again, Baba says, Bharat is the highest land of all. The praise of Bharat that is remembered is limitless. It is here that Shiv Baba takes birth. People should understand that this place where the Father comes is truly the greatest pilgrimage place. This is called the land of righteousness, and the Father alone liberates everyone. He liberates everyone from sorrow. None of the founders of other religion liberate anyone from sorrow. Therefore, Bharat is such a great pilgrimage place. The Father says, I come here to grant everyone salvation. I make Bharat into heaven. We children know that the Father has come to make us into the masters of heaven. So, remember such Father with great deal of love. When others see you, they too will perform such acts. This is known as subtle and divine acts. Let nothing but jewels of knowledge emerge from your lips. Essence for Dharana. First, become Roop and Basant, so that only jewels of knowledge constantly emerge from your lips. Remain enthusiastic for doing service. Stay in remembrance and remind others of the Father. Perform this divine and unique task. Second is, become a true lover and surrender yourself to the one beloved. That is, sacrifice yourself. Only then will there be the true Deepavali. Blessing. May you constantly be light and successful by looking after your physical household and your divine family equally. All of you children have been given the double service of looking after your own physical livelihood and also your spiritual livelihood. However, there has to be equal time given and attention paid to both types of service. If the needle of Srimad is fine, both sides will then be equal. However, when you speak of your household, you become a householder and all the excuses then begin. So, have the awareness of being a trustee, not a householder, and keep a balance of both your household and your divine family, and you will remain constantly light and successful. Slogan is, in order to come in the first division, become a conqueror of your physical senses and also a conqueror of Maya. Conquering the physical senses implies conquering the mind, and it has been rightly said that you can win the world if you win your mind. So, conquer your physical senses in order to come in the first division. Om Shanti.